Hey developers, welcome back to Programming Crafter. Today I will show you how to build a complete CRUD API in Django REST and test it instantly in Postman. I navigate to my project directory and start the Django development server using run server command. First, I send a GET request to retrieve all the available records from the API. As you can see, the API returns the list of records successfully. I will send POST request to create a new record in the database. The record has been created successfully. Now I send another GET request to verify whether the new record has been added. Here we can see that the newly created record is now included in the response. Next, I send a delete request to remove a specific record from the database. The record has been deleted successfully. Now, I send another GET request to confirm that the record has been removed. Next, I send a put request to update an existing record. The record has been updated successfully. Finally, I send GET request again to verify the updated data.